Welcome, my name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Just a disclaimer, I do not have mascara. I haven't really been wearing mascara lately because if you watch my other videos like getting ready for work with me, like I just am too lazy to get up out of bed. I just love relaxing, and when it's time to go, I don't give myself enough time, and mascara takes me a long time, so I'm just like, you know what? The rest of me looks good, we're getting out the door. Anyways, this isn't what this video is about. This is about my December and my January BoxyCharm unboxing. And yeah, we're going to go right into it. If you live under a rock, in the next clip I will tell you what BoxyCharm is about, how much it is, all of that. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Guys, I promise the giveaway is coming. I am filming the giveaway tonight. So make sure that you are subscribed because it is free and we all love free things, and it definitely will not hurt you to hit that subscribe button, and we'll get right into it. Oh, I also upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays. Let's go.
Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
So the BoxyCharm boxes are a little bit bigger than what they used to be. I believe I have the Boxy Premium, which is $25 a month, but because of where I live and taxes and all that, it comes out to $27, which is fine. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and then the month before, so like in November, I was able to pick one product from my December box. No, in December, I wasn't able to choose anything from my January box, so I didn't get an email, but now I know that they don't send emails, so you have to make sure that you're going on their website in the beginning of the month to see what date they're going to be putting out your box's choice. To change the box, I have been super happy. Like the last time we had a $90 product, but this month's box, like January's box, was a little bit meh for me. But anyways, we'll get right into the December BoxyCharm, which is this one. And whenever you open up the box, you do get a card right here which tells you the theme of the month, and it'll also tell you a list of all the products, what it does, kind of what the product is supposed to be, and also how much it is. So December's BoxyCharm was whimsy. That was the theme of the box, and I don't want to look at the products that I got. And the first thing in the box is going to be this right here. And this says Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. And this is Little Red Riding Hood palette. This retails for $35. And this is super, super cute. I have way too many palettes, so what I have been deciding to do, because I want to do a lot more giveaways on my channel, I'm going to put this in the giveaway pile, a separate giveaway pile. So the one that's coming next week or the week after won't include this, but this will be in an upcoming giveaway, probably in a couple months from now. But I just will never wear this. It is a really cute palette, but I'm just not inspired by it. And then when I open up the box again, this is the next product in it. And this is the Ciat London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. And this retails for $26. This is a blush that I know that I will love and I know that I want to keep. So this is something that I will be keeping. It is really cute. It's got that marbly. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't even know if yeah, you won't be able to notice. It's an extremely subtle blush, so I know that when I use it, I can use it on those days where I do like a no makeup look. And the next product in the box is this, and I knew that I was receiving this because this was the product that I did choose for the month of December. And this is a Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and this retails for $39. It's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. It was between this or Elemis oil, and the Elemis oil kind of wasn't screaming my name, but this glacier water sounded really good. It sounded like the glacier water just sounded like a drink of thirst for my skin. Like that's the way I envisioned it in my brain. So that's why I wanted this, and also because I can get Elemis at my work for 25% off, so why not try something else that I don't sell at Ulta? And the next product in the box is this here. This is the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit, and this retails for $30. This is it right here, and I believe I was going to give this in a giveaway, but since it has the shade black in it, I am going to keep it just because I want to try it out. But it does come with 3 shades. One I believe is like a highlighting shade. Yeah, one is brightening brow lift, and then 2 brow shades, and then it comes with a brush to be able to do your brows, and then a brow setter. Sculpting mascara gel. Okay, what is going on here? Yeah, this is just a brow setter, so I definitely am going to keep this just because I want to try it, and it looks like I already swatched it. I don't remember swatching it, but maybe I did, I don't know. And then the last product in the box is this Sarafine Botanicals Daikon and Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. This retails for $24, and it has soft golden sugar, avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and coconut butters to help the lips from trapping and flaking. And I'm going to keep this because I love lip exfoliators, lip glosses, lip treatments, lip oils, anything to do that's going to nourish my lips and keep them from trapping, which right now if they look bad, I apologize. So this box retails for $154, which is a lot more than what I paid for the box, so I believe it's 100% worth it. Okay, so this month's box, I was not really the most impressed with it, and the card that came in this one is this, and the theme is Breaking the Ice, which is actually pretty cool. I like that theme. And the first thing in the box is this that is going to fall and attack me. And this is going in the giveaway because I have the full-size product and it takes me forever to get through the full-size product. But if I didn't already buy my sister this for her birthday gift, then I would be giving it to her, but I will be giving it away. And this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's a glowing radiance and softening sleeping mask. If you know what a watermelon Jolly Rancher smells like, this is exactly what it smells like. This is so nourishing without being greasy or oily. The best way I wear this is at night, duh. But I use that Aztec Amazonian clay mask, and my face gets really, really red. But my face isn't sensitive. It's just that mask is very, very drying. It's amazing, but it's very, very drying. So I like wearing either the watermelon sleeping mask to bed or the avocado sleeping mask to bed. And this is just amazing. Everybody that I have tried this ends up falling in love with it. So it's just so good. And this one retails for $22. I would keep it if I didn't have the full size already, but I already have a lot of stuff. So this will be going in a giveaway as well. And then the next thing in the box is this right here. And this is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. It's a polishing micro-exfoliating truffle face gommage. It says it's made in Italy. Skin & Co. is $28, and it's an exfoliating cream, and anything that has the micro-exfoliating, anything that is exfoliating, I will gladly keep because my face is not sensitive but is very oily, and anything to help me exfoliate more and get rid of all of my dead skin and texture, I'm going to try out. So I'm keeping that one. And the next thing in the box is this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $34.99. It is an extremely beautiful palette. Next thing in the box is this Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip, and this retails for $21. It is a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. This is a really, really cute color. It's in the shade Dream. This is the shade that it is right here. It almost looks like my lips, but better. And then the last thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and this retails for $25. I feel like this is going to be a little bit darker than what I normally wear. This is the shade 63, the middle ground. And it says it's a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. infused with vitamin E and, whoa, what the heck is that word? Galactorabinin? To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. So let's see what the applicator looks like and how it feels on the back of my hands. Wow! That is super angled. Can you see that? Super angled, and this is like orange. Can you see that? I feel like, okay, so it looks like it has really good coverage, but I feel like this is going to be best like for this right here, this pimple that I have, or whatever the heck it is that won't go away, like putting this on underneath my foundation and then putting my foundation over it, just because I feel like that would be the best way to use it, because it is a little bit too dark for my skin. Like, I wish that they would have sent samples of this, like they sent the samples of the foundation, that way I could have been able to test out which shade I was and send it in. And the total of this month's box is $130.99. Really good deal, and I don't know, I just love getting BoxyCharm. I just feel like this month's was a little bit iffy. Like, I wouldn't have been mad if I didn't get the palette, especially because this month I know that they were giving away a Too Faced highlighter and like a Too Faced palette, and why couldn't I get that? So I don't know. This palette is really beautiful. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.
Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.